Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş, who appeared in front of audience on Channel 7 screens as Dilan and Baran. Although many other series were also aired in Channel 7 like Imanat and Yamin series. But Can Chickley is the only series in which Dilan and Baran means Yağmur and Baris are continuously trending on social media because nobody used to trend while their series aired on Channel 7. But Yağmur and Baris are the only one who are trending on social media every day. So they have broken every record and they are trending on social media every other day.